Hello everyone, this is Kamini, trainer at VRAcademi. Welcome to another session for Photoshop, and in today's session I'll be showing you the Lasso tool. As you can see in this image, I have a picture in which I need to remove this stone from the image. So to do that, I will go to my Lasso tool. Lasso tool is basically a freehand tool. So this tool will help you to make freehand selection. It will work as if you are drawing something with the help of pencil. So you simply need to make a click and then drag it with the help of your left click of your cursor. Do not leave the click. If you leave the click, the selection will automatically happen and it will give you the selection based on which area you have captured. It might not give you very perfect selection because, as I said, it is a freehand lasso tool. It works like a pencil. It basically, on any free form of a shape you need to select, you can select with the help of this tool. Once done, I'll leave my cursor, and to see the output you can click on this area. In case if you need to add certain part, you will go to add. For now I need to subtract. I will simply click on the subtract selection and I'll subtract the part which I don't want. Once done, once you finalized with the selection, and as I said, it will not give you the accurate result. Still, once you have finalized your selection, then click on the mask. Once you click on this mask, you will get the final result. So this is how you will make your selection with the help of Lasso tool. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my video. Do like, share and subscribe.